In the ever-evolving world of home cleaning appliances, this Eureka RapidClean Pro cordless stick and handheld vacuum cleaner stands out as a remarkable innovation. This battery-operated vacuum cleaner is designed to provide maximum efficiency and powerful suction for hard floors. Whether you are tackling daily dust and debris or deeper cleanups, this vacuum offers convenience, power, and flexibility. Here's an in-depth look at why the RapidClean Pro could be the perfect addition to your home cleaning arsenal. One of the most significant advantages of the Eureka RapidClean Pro is its cordless design. Powered by the latest motor technology, this vacuum ensures efficient cleaning without the hassle of tangled cords or restricted movement. The cordless feature allows you to easily move from room to room, reaching every nook and cranny without interruption. This convenience is particularly beneficial for larger homes or spaces with multiple floor types. Equipped with a rechargeable 25-2V lithium-ion battery, the RapidClean Pro offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free runtime in Eco handheld mode and up to 15 minutes in max mode. This extended battery life means you can clean more areas of your home in one go without needing to recharge frequently. The fingertip controls make it simple to switch to max power for increased suction, ideal for tackling carpets and rugs. Need to take a break in the middle of cleaning? The specially designed Easy Rest Nook allows you to safely prop the vacuum up on countertops and furniture. This unique feature ensures that the vacuum stays upright without the risk of falling over, adding a layer of convenience and safety during your cleaning routine. Cleaning under beds and furniture can be challenging with traditional vacuum designs. However, Eureka has moved the dust cup to the front of the RapidClean Pro, allowing the vacuum to lay completely flat. This design improvement makes it easy to reach under low-lying furniture, ensuring that dust and debris have no place to hide. The RapidClean Pro is equipped with bright LED headlights that illuminate the cleaning path. These lights make it easier to see and clean dust and debris that might otherwise be missed, especially in darker areas like under furniture. The LED headlights ensure that you achieve a thorough clean every time. The lightweight, cordless design of the RapidClean Pro makes it incredibly easy to use and perfect for daily cleaning. Its portability means you can quickly grab it for a swift cleanup without the hassle of setting up a traditional vacuum. The assembly is straightforward, and the convenient wall mount provides simple and organized storage, keeping your cleaning area clutter-free. The specially designed cyclonic filtration system of the RapidClean Pro separates and traps dust, debris, and large particles. This system not only enhances the vacuum's performance, but also prolongs its lifespan by preventing clogging and maintaining consistent suction power. With swivel steering and a low-profile head, the RapidClean Pro is designed for easy maneuverability. You can comfortably clean every corner and hard-to-reach place from any angle. The swivel steering allows for smooth navigation around furniture and obstacles, making your cleaning process more efficient and less cumbersome. To address the common challenge of cleaning under furniture, Eureka has placed the dust cup and handle at the front of the pole and designed a slim nozzle profile. This thoughtful design ensures that nothing obstructs your way when reaching under low furniture, allowing for comprehensive cleaning in those typically hard-to-reach areas. Final thoughts. The Eureka RapidClean Pro cordless stick and handheld vacuum cleaner offers a perfect blend of power, convenience, and innovative features. Its cordless design, long-lasting battery, and advanced filtration system make it an excellent choice for efficient and effective home cleaning. Whether you need a quick daily clean or a more thorough vacuuming session, the RapidClean Pro is equipped to handle it all with ease. By combining lightweight design with powerful suction and user-friendly features like the Easy Rest Nook and LED headlights, Eureka has created a vacuum that meets the needs of modern households. The ability to transition seamlessly from hard floors to carpets and the convenience of cordless operation make this vacuum a versatile and invaluable tool for any home. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.